Roger. Here I come.
I'll handle it.
Burn Rooster. Ready.
This plant harnesses the... It's a day...
Let's swim. Here I... Give me a hand. Run. Leave it to me.
I thought something like this might happen someday, so I've prepared parts for you. Try out these wood parts, H. Equip this part to gain speed in movement. Equip this new ability and board the capsule, X. I hope this is the last time we need to use weapons of war like this, X. I really do.
Let's switch. Here I come. Help me out! Leave it to me! Can't move! Good luck! Here I come! Whoa!
Ready.
Let's switch! Here I come! Transform!
You found a rare metal. With it, you be sure to stop.
Give me a hand! Roger! Here I come!
Can you hear me? My analysis is complete. You found a rare metal. With it, you can make a new chip. Be sure to stop by the lab when you get back to the hunter base.
Help me out! Leave it to me! Let's switch! I'll take care of it! Help me out! Roger! Let's switch! Here I come! Help me out! Roger! Let's switch! Here I come! Take this! Help me out! Leave it to me! Let's switch! I'll take care of it! Uh-oh! Give me a hand! Leave it to me!
X, can you hear me?
Move! No!
Ready.
take care of it. Help me. Roger. Good luck. I'll take care of it. Why did you start this riot? Are you being controlled by Sigma?
My master! He will have his revenge for all the Reploids whose broken bodies rest here!
Sad story, but I'm afraid you've been led astray. You can't believe the things Sigma says.
I won't let you get in the way of our new world!
Give me a hand, Roger. Give me a hand!
Leave it to me!
I'll take care of it.
Here we go!
Emergency! Emergency! The volcano has gone out of control! Escape through the mouth of the volcano and await teleportation.
Weapon get!
That looked like a hard fight, but there was never any doubt that you'd come out on top.
Looks like there's only one Maverick left. Could this be the last of them? Or is this just the beginning?
It's been a long time since they've gotten their hands on Lumine. The elevator seems normal so far, but that's just making me more nervous.
Just try not to think about it. We've come this far. Let's just take care of that last Maverick and move on, okay?
You're right, Axel. There's no time to be worried.
Right. Let's go.